Hey guys!
We are Magdalena and
Roberto.
We are bachata dancers, and this video is about how to learn bachata at home as a beginner and without a partner.
So, what are we waiting for? Let's go to the dance floor. Alright guys, so let's start with basic number 1. We're gonna turn around and we're going to start on 1 with our left foot and we're gonna go to the left. So let's go. 1, 2, 3, tap. Let's do that one more time. And 1, 2, 3, tap. And from here we're gonna go on 5 with our right foot and we're gonna go to the right. So it's going to be 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's do that one more time. So we are on 4 tapping and then we're gonna go to the right side with our right foot. So it's going to be 5, 6, 7, tap. And now let's combine both of them. So we're starting on the left foot on 1 and we're gonna finish on 8. So let's go. 1, 2, 3, tap. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, tap. 5, 6, 7, tap. All right, let's go one more time. We're gonna do it 3 times. All right, so let's go. 1, 2, 3, tap. 5, 6, 7, tap. 1, 2, 3, tap. 5, 6. One last time. 1, 2, 3, tap. 5, 6, 7, tap.
Okay guys, let's do the second basic step. It's almost the same as the first one. We only change the direction from the front into the back. So let's start. We start again with our left foot, but now we go to the front. And we go 1, 2, 3, tap. Let's do it again. And we go 1, 2, 3, tap. And now we add the back step. So we go with our right foot to the back. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's do it again. 5, 6, 7, 8. Now we do both together and we do it 3 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Very good.
Awesome guys, so let's start now with basic number 3. This one's super easy, but it's also super helpful and it's going to help you during your whole dance career. So let's turn around and we're just gonna go with our left foot and we're gonna do a 1 and on 2 we're gonna be tapping with our right foot. And now we're gonna go to the right side on 3, and we're gonna tap with our left foot. So let's do it one more time. It's going to be 1, tap, 3, tap, left tap, right tap, left tap, right tap. One last time, left tap, right tap.
Okay guys, let's start with the last basic we're going to show you in this video. It's called the square and it's a combination of the first and the second basic step. So let's do it. We start again with our left foot to the left side. Then we go 1, 2. And now we're going to start to the front with our left leg. 3, 4. Now we change direction again and we go to the right with our right foot. 5, 6. And now we go to the back again. 7, 8. Okay? Let's do it again 3 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Alright guys, so you made it. We just finished the 4 basic bachata steps, but now we have a bonus. This means we're gonna do all of them together 2 times. Watch how we do it and then do it with us. First, we're gonna with the first basic, we're gonna go 1, 2, 3, tap, 5, 6, 7, tap. And now we're gonna go on the second basic to the front. 1, 2, 3, tap. 5, 6, 7, tap. Now we're gonna do the third basic, which is step, tap, step, tap, step, tap, step, tap. And we're gonna finish it with the square. So 2, 3, tap, 5, 6, 7, tap. So you're ready? Let's do this 2 times. Let's start with basic number 1 and go. 1, 2, 3, tap, 5, 6. Let's go to the front. 1, 2, 3, tap, 5, 6, basic 3. Step, tap, step, tap, step, tap, step, tap, square. 1, 2, 3, tap, 5, 6. Everything one more time. 1, 2, 3, tap, 5, 6 to the front. 1, 2, 3, tap, 5, 6, 7, tap, tap, tap. Step, tap, step, tap, step, tap. 1, 2, square. 5, 6, 7, tap. Did you manage to do it? We know that it can be a little bit tricky at the beginning, but just keep practicing and don't worry, we're gonna have a lot more tutorials. So just keep practicing and wait for our next video next week.